Performance budgets help prevent gradual regressions by setting thresholds on performance metrics. Adding these alerts is a powerful tool to keep on top of your website monitoring, by only reviewing test results when needed. In this video, we'll take a look at how to set up performance budgets for your website, how alerts are sent, and the performance budgets dashboard. To set up a performance budget, select the necessary page from the project dashboard and go to the page settings. Then click Advanced Settings and Performance Budgets. Any previous performance budgets that have been set up will be available for quick selection here. Currently, we don't have any budgets in place, so let's click Create Budget. The first option is to select whether the performance budget should be applied for scheduled tests, CI builds, or all. There are no restrictions on how many budgets you can have. The next selection we need to make is the metric. We can set a performance budget for any metric that is available in Debug Bear except for custom user timing marks. Some useful budget indicators to set could be LCP under 2 seconds, increases in request count and page weight, CLS below 0.1, and Lighthouse performance score over 90. You can also set crux budgets. When setting these up, it may be useful to check whether the URL is receiving the crux data already or if selecting a previously set up budget. Let's set up a budget for LCP on this page. Our most recent test shows a value of 2.46 seconds, so let's set our value to 2,500 milliseconds, meaning we'll be alerted if the good threshold score is breached. Let's create another budget by clicking the Add Budget Condition button. This page has a page weight of over 4 megabytes, which is slightly large. However, all of the core web vitals are passing currently. An increase in page weight could indicate a regression for an important metric, such as a new render blocking script being added. This time, we'll set the alert to increase by percentage. If the page weight increases by 5%, we will receive an alert. When this threshold is breached, we can check to see if this increase in page weight has impacted performance. Once we are happy with the budgets we have created, we can name our list and save. Be sure to update the page settings to apply these budgets to the page. If we return to our original page, we can see the performance budgets listed at the bottom, with green checks indicating they are currently passing, which makes sense as we have just set them up. If a test fails, then we will receive an alert, and the status in our test results will change to red. By default, when a budget is breached, you will receive an alert. However, if a budget is breached again in the following test, another alert won't be sent. If you'd prefer to continue to receive alerts till the budget is no longer being breached, then you can toggle this option from the Integrations tab in the project settings. Let's say that our page weight threshold increased by 5%, but we missed the alert. With this option enabled, we would continue to receive alerts while the increase remains at 5%. Allowing us to review the results and make adjustments to the page or the budget threshold if needed. For a complete overview of all performance budgets, click the Budgets tab from the project dashboard. On this page, we can view and edit each budget. Each created budget is listed in a table above. We can edit a budget by clicking the pen icon. We can also see how many pages are assigned to a budget. Budgets can be added or removed via the page list and then saved by clicking the Apply Budgets button. You can also filter to view all failing budgets. This page is useful when working as a team, as every budget is in one place. Any new team members can quickly familiarize themselves with which budgets have been set, and also if any budgets are no longer needed or should be adjusted.